Otter AI versus Scribie Usage Experience. Welcome to my comparison of Otter AI versus Scribie. Links to both products are provided in the description for you to explore further. In this video, I'll break down the features of both transcription tools, their ideal users, and key differences to help you make an informed decision. Otter AI is an advanced AI-driven transcription tool designed for real-time transcription of meetings, lectures, and interviews. It's perfect for individuals, teams, and educators who need fast and reliable transcriptions. Otter offers automatic speaker identification, keyword highlighting, and seamless integration with platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. It's ideal for small businesses, remote teams, and educational settings due to its user-friendly interface and powerful collaboration features, such as live editing and comment sections. Otter offers both a free plan and premium plans that unlock additional features like increased transcription limits, custom vocabulary, and advanced search capabilities. Scribie, on the other hand, is known for offering both automated and human transcription services. While its automated transcription is fast and reasonably accurate, Scribie's main differentiator is its human transcription service, which provides high-accuracy results at a higher cost. This makes Scribie a great choice for users who need precise transcription for complex technical content or environments with significant background noise. Scribie is ideal for professionals, content creators, and businesses that need top-notch accuracy and are willing to pay for the additional quality of human-reviewed transcripts. The platform also offers a pay-per-minute pricing structure, giving users flexibility based on their transcription needs. To sum it up, Otter AI is a great choice for users seeking an affordable, easy-to-use tool for quick, real-time transcriptions with excellent collaboration features. Scribie, on the other hand, is better suited for those who need high-accuracy transcriptions for more complex content and are willing to invest in human-reviewed services. Check the links in the description to learn more about both platforms and determine which one works best for your transcription needs.